చెప్పరా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పరా నాన్న ఎక్కడ తీయించుకో
क्या भाई
ना especificaba
any problem అయితే ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి
yeah.
B4 చైత్రానంది
Good evening, all. We'll start with welcome to the webinar for today, which is the topic would be anxiety during COVID times, overcoming anxiety during COVID times. So, Radhika ma'am, can you put on the video?
Priya?
Ma'am, video.
Okay.
Radhika ma'am, Sudisha, the video. So by the time ma'am gets ready with her video, can I start with something which is going on today? How is the COVID affecting our recent times? How is it going to affect, how is it affecting for the past 1 year? We are seeing so many things around. How is it affecting us? What are the things that are getting affected in our daily lives? What are the things that have got affected in our daily lives? Somebody can answer? I would like to have short answers from 2 or 3 people.
These days,
Yeah,
emotionally, we have
we'll get back to, whoever is talking will get back to, you can type the answers actually on the chat box. You can type the answers as Radhika ma'am goes on with the video. She'll switch on the video and you can type the answers on the chat box and we'll discuss it.
రావట్లా సదిశ
ఇలా
అలాంటి ఇంగ్లీష్ కదా
Yes. So we got so many answers on the chat box that it has pulled us out psychologically, financially, and emotionally. As Vadivel Murugan sir said, you are unable to meet your dear ones. We feel lonely. Actually, yes, sir. Yes. Even being in the next door, we have seen people we couldn't attend. Our own relatives, my own experience, our own relatives being in the same place, they couldn't attend their brother's funeral. So that's something which is very saddening, and it is very morose for all of us. And yes, financially, yes, big hit for people who have lost their job or they have got a pay cut. And yes, loss of relatives, and you are unable to go out. Yes, Miss Veda. Veda has raised her hand. Yes, ma'am. So there are ever so many things we can list out. So some things which we can, yeah, these things we cannot have anything. Yeah, family distance is too much. There are many people who would have lost relatives, nearby, close relation, or long distant relative you would have lost with COVID. So yes, this is difficult, and I think this webinar would help you a wee bit. I won't say it will be the whole you will change all over, but yes, this will help you overcome to your mental stress to a wide extent, actually. So to begin with, I would like to start with introduction of our Sudisha Counseling Center, Manojagriti. It's an 8-year-old organization, 8-year young organization, I would like to say, wherein Sudisha Counseling Center is a unit of Manojagriti. It's an NGO. It works with police and other Department of Education and Social Welfare. And it has a positive mental health awareness, which is equal to our physical health, positive physical health too. So mental health should go hand in hand with physical health without any taboo or without any inhibition that I'm seeking help. You're seeking help for your headache the same way you're seeking help for your inside of your head also. So these are the, I don't want to take too much of time. So I would like to just show you around with the PPT so that you can read. And this is our ma'am, Dr. Geeta Challa, and she has done her RE and CBT from Albert Ellis University, New York. And she's a therapist, she's a trained therapist. And She works, we along with ma'am, we have got the opportunity to work with her for the she teams wherein they counsel the Eve teasers. And yes, we have seen a lot of changes though in those kids over each and every session. We have seen changes. So I think these things will help you a lot. This session will help you to overcome some of your inhibitions, overcome some of your trouble. So over to you, ma'am. I would like to call upon ma'am to take over the.
Yes, Priya, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, thank you so much for a very vibrant and also very touching intro. I was moved when you were speaking about the different things happening around. It's not that easy to take all these things, but as we look into this COVID-19, now it is like we are striving hard to live. We are striving hard to live, and also livelihood is a problem now. So everything is a problem now, but still we need to withstand. That's the only thing in front of us. So we are going to talk about those things. So first of all, I just wanted to, maybe introduce very quickly in few minutes, and then we jump into the activities only. It's completely experiential session. I will take 5 more minutes to just take you into the session, and then be prepared to sit and experience the activities. So let us see what is anxiety and, what is fear? What is the difference between both of them? What is the difference between both of them? So first of all, I just wanted to tell you the basic difference between both of them. Fear is nothing but it's a response to the known and definite threat. See, you see fire, you see tiger, you see a snake, immediately we have that response of fear. That is to the definite threat. Yes, I saw a snake, so I have this fear. It is real, and it is also seen in front of our naked eyes. This is called fear. Fear is, again, I repeat, fear is for the definite threat, which is right in front of our eyes. And where we take we do two things, whether we flight or the way we fight. Okay. But then what is anxiety? How different anxiety is from the fear? Very, very prominent difference between anxiety and fear is anxiety is a response to unknown threat. Unknown threat. Imprecise. We don't know. It's not identified. Not defined. Not identified. Not precise. So it's an unknown threat for which we have a lot of anxiety towards it. So I'll show you one example, nice picture to make you understand. This is the difference between fear and anxiety. See, in the first picture, when you see the stress response from immediate danger, see the small fish is seeing the danger immediately. It is seen. There it is a fear. That's fine. But in the next slide, the other side, when you see, the small fish is having that fear response or stress response just by thinking that something will happen. That is anxiety. So in this COVID time, most of it is anxiety. Most of it is anxiety. I'll take the questions in the last because we'll take the questions in the end, and please make sure that you write questions. Keep them with you. We'll have 15 to 20 minutes of time. And all of you, please mute yourself, and volunteers, please mute all the people when they are unmuting themselves. Okay. Now coming back, when we are not asking questions, better you mute all of them, Priya.
I've muted. Yes.
Right. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Because, yeah. So it is mostly unknown threat. We think that something is going to happen. In this COVID time also, I may get infected. My family may get infected. I may lose someone. I may need to see something which I don't want to see. These are all, perceived threat. Unidentified, undefined. We don't know whether it happened or not. See, when you ask, will this fall? We never know. Whether this will fall or not, we never know. But we are looking at the one side and thinking that this will happen. I will get infected. My loved ones will get infected. Something will happen. That is that anxiety started. Then what will happen? Definitely you have lot of worry. Every one of us, including me also, including all of us. So we have lot of worry during this time. We are not able to really, cope up with normal stress of life also. And we are getting irritated. We are not able to take anything in life. And sometimes we are becoming panic also. Okay. So that's where I wanted to introduce 3 concepts, very simple concepts, so that it makes you more clear. Then we go to the demonstration. So IQ, AQ, EQ. Beautifully defined 3 things. Please understand, and we have a nice demonstration by Priya also following this. First thing is IQ. I start from the last one, IQ. IQ is intelligent quotient. Intelligence quotient is the measure of our ability to reason and also solve the problems. The way you are able to solve any problem, the way you are able to manage. It's not only specific to academics. Mostly we attach this for academics, but I would say intelligence in every area. So the ability to solve the problem, the ability to do something in the immediate given challenge, that is IQ. Then what is EQ? EQ, as we are going to do one beautiful activity now about emotions, and EQ is the ability to use your emotions positively, ability to identify your emotions, ability to manage your emotions, ability to identify emotions in others, be empathetic to others, having a good social skills. These are all comes empathy, social skills, emotional awareness, all these things are EQ. But now today we are working on AQ. AQ is adversity quotient. We hardly know the word. Most of us doesn't know. Adversity quotient is the withstanding capacity of any individual during a time of adversity. Right example is COVID-19. Whether we are able to withstand or we are just losing the confidence. Situation is same. If you see, if all of us sit in a helicopter and go up and up in the sky, see, everyone on this earth, almost it's a global crisis. So no one is excused here. So everybody is having, but do you think all of them are into anxiety? No. Some of them are able to withstand it. Some of them are not able to withstand. That is the difference between people who has AQ, people who doesn't have AQ. Adversity quotient. So very now, this is enough to talk. Now we are switching into the experiential sessions. And now I invite Priya to show you in the demonstration what is AQ. Yes.
So
over to you, Priya.
this is, yeah.
Little louder, Priya, little louder.
Yes, ma'am. So can you all hear me?
Yeah, it's clear, little louder.
Yeah. So this is a small experiment that we usually do to show how your adversity quotient comes. So these are coffee beans. We don't use coffee as a bean. We use it as a powder. So 1 second, I will show you. This is some coffee powder that I have taken in the glass, if you can see this. So I pour some water. I pour some hot water and see what happens to this. What will happen to the color of the water? The color changes, right? The coffee gets, after some time, the coffee gets totally dissolved in water or milk, whichever we use in the daily life. So it gets dissolved in the water. This can see, and the next thing is the egg. I have already kept a boiled egg. The boiled egg, if the people who eat will know that as you remove the shell, the boiled egg, this will get hard.
Ma'am, please show your demonstration.
Yes, we'll stop the share. Screen ko stop kar dena.
Okay.
Because they are hardly able to see you. And speaker view laga dena. Thank you. We'll keep the speaker view. You can also keep for yourself, and all of you.
So yeah. So this is the speaker view. You can just put the speaker view. So
yes.
This is the egg that has been boiled already. I have boiled the egg. Whoever eats, they know that when you boil the egg, it gets hard, right? And previously I showed you the coffee mixed in water. I have mixed it in water actually, and the color has changed. The coffee has dissolved in the water now fully, and the color of the water has changed. Now, the third one is a potato. Potato when boiled, what will happen? When the potato is boiled, can somebody say what happens?
It softens.
It softens, yes. So one thing softens, one thing hardens, and one thing dissolves. So in our life, people, when put in adversity, they harden themselves, they toughen themselves. Some people will get softened, they get sensitive, they get really, they wiggle out or they soften out. And some people, they accept and get along with the situation. This is what we try to show you. This is what we are trying to show you in this activity, that the coffee mixes with the water, as in it accepts the situation and it's dissolving in the water, that is the situation. Some harden with the situation and some people soften with the situation. So as you can see, the coping sentences that I would put here would be: accept the situation and be strong. Accept the situation and be strong would be the coping card for the situation, coping card for the for this activity, this experiential activity, wherein different people show different skills or they show their adversity quotient in a different way. Now you have to, you spread out, you think for yourself and see what you are. You're an egg, you're a potato, or you're coffee. You gel along the situation and you flow with the, you go with the flow. As I would put it, you go with the flow, or you harden with the situation, that is you toughen with the situation, or you soften with the situation, as in you get mushed out in the situation. Try to think about yourself, try to think about yourself and find answer for your own mind. What is your mind? What's your mind that is telling you? Yeah, ma'am, can we go for the next activity?
Yeah, before that, coping cards.
Yeah, so take out one card and please write the coping card sentence as, I have written accept the situation and be strong. That can be, you can reframe it to anything, but then I would like to put this as accept the situation and be strong. Take that card paper and please write it down for yourself. And these cards won't be useless. This is just, it's not use and throw cards. These cards, when just an example, as Vadivel sir has kept a calendar on in the back behind, I can see the calendar, so I'm just telling you. So you can just put a pin on the calendar with this coping card, and sir, you can see it daily. It will really, really help you. Like the same way, you can put these cards wherever you see it daily, and you can just get inspired by it. You can just rejuvenate your mind. You can toughen your mind, or you can just do the mindfulness activity with these, just these coping cards.
Right.
These are not just use and throw that we usually keep it on our tables so that we see it and we will realize it. We'll keep reminding ourselves. This is just a reminder that you keep for yourself.
Yeah, Priya, thank you so much. Actually, it was wonderful. So may I see participants with cards we gave in the requirements? Do you have a small piece of chart?
Chart card. Yeah.
Chart, small piece of chart, or if you don't have piece of paper, chalo, take a piece of paper. Show me piece of paper. On that, I want you to write this statement. Accept the situation and be strong. Write it on the paper and show me. If the card is like this, I want you people to write it with the very big letters. Very big. Very good, Ramesh. Ramesh Garu, it's a wonderful thing. Yeah, can you show me? Good job. Good job. And I'm just trying to announce you one thing. The people who are very active in this webinar, till the end, I see who are very active, proactive. We are going to select 2 people. Priya, keep track on them. So 2 people will be selected who will be given a surprise at the end. I'll give you the surprise at the end. Okay, chalo. I'm selecting only 2 people. The surprise will be at the end of the webinar. It's a wonderful, gift for you people, which I'm going to announce. Very good, very good. Yay, I can see Revati showing me. Super. Chalo. So thank you so much. Now we will move on to the next activity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I want you to keep ready around 8 cards like this. Keep 8 cards ready. Okay. And I want all my Sahaya students be active, and I want you people to keep tracking people who are unmuting themselves and mute them immediately. Ask Radhika to make you co-host and see that if people are unmuting them, please mute them. And Priya, when don't require, don't unmute them.
Okay.
When you ask, then only unmute, because it's disturbing, because now we are entering into the activities, sounds will disturb them also. Okay. Chalo. Yes, shall we start with the first activity? You tell me, I'll go with it. You should tell me.
So the first activity is visual relaxation, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let me explain that. Let me explain. Okay. So all of you, please just sit comfortably across the session. Make yourself comfortable. If you have cell phone, please switch it off. Nothing is going to happen in this 1 hour. So please switch off your mobiles. Please tell your family members or someone, come and sit in the front of the screen. And if you have your near and dear, if you know someone, please forward the link and ask them to join. This is a beautiful experience for all of us. Okay. So coming back to visual relaxation. What does it mean by relaxation? See, we are into very tough situation now. Things are not in our control, and we don't know what is happening around us. And we are into so much stress every day, almost every second we are into stress. Something or the other is coming, and some message is coming. Some people are, calling and giving you some message, news is giving. So, but mind needs some relaxation. You cannot keep your mind so occupied with stress. It needs some relaxation. మనకందరికీ కూడా ఒత్తిడిలోంచి బయటికి రావాలంటే ఎంతో కొంత ఒక రిలాక్సేషన్ అనేది ఉండాలి. దానికోసం విజువల్ రిలాక్సేషన్ అంటాము. Please excuse me, in between I'll speak one sentence in Telugu. Sometime I'll speak in one sentence, because there are people who sat for Telugu only, who really want some Telugu prompt. So I'll speak entirely in English. I translate sometime into Telugu. Don't worry, you're not missing anything. Okay, got it? Chalo. So we are now going to do the visual relaxation. Basically, our mind, our all senses are the doors of our mind. Senses are our doors of our mind. So all these 5 senses, when you pat them, when you show them something which relaxes your mind, automatically the entire mind. So now when we talk about visual relaxation, I just want to take 1 more minute to tell you, visual relaxation means 83% of your mind is focused, because vision occupies 83% of your mind, sense organs mein. Okay. So we are trying to pat that 83% of your sense organ, that is vision. Okay. Just be ready. And now when the visual relaxation starts on the screen, I will try to give you somewhere some instructions. Just follow me. Okay. And sit properly first before we get into the relaxation video. Take normal breathing. Don't trouble yourself. Just take normal breathing. Sit comfortably. If possible, come onto the screen. Switch on with your video. That really helps us and you also. Switch on your videos. It is not for me, for you people. When you switch on your video, you do the activity properly. If you do not, you are going to miss out. మీరందరూ వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. నేను చెప్తున్న విషయాలను వింటూ ఉండండి. చాలా మంది ఏమంటారు, మనోజాగృతికి ఎక్కడో దగ్గర మాకు కనెక్ట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి అందరి కోసం ఈ రోజు ఈ వెబినార్ ని పెడుతూ ఉన్నాం. కాబట్టి మనందరం కలిసి రిలాక్స్ అవుదాం. ఒక 1.5 hour లో ఎంతో కొంత మనశ్శాంతిని తెచ్చుకుందాం. ఓకే. సో మీరు మీ బ్రీత్ ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ నిదానం కళ్ళు మూసుకోవద్దు. జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి బ్రీత్ ని. డోంట్ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్. ఇట్స్ అ విజువల్ రిలాక్సేషన్. కానీ మనస్సు మొత్తం మీ శ్వాస మీదకి పంపించండి. ఆ మనస్సు మొత్తం మీ శ్వాస మీద పెట్టుకొని చాలా పీస్ఫుల్ గా, ప్రశాంతంగా just make yourself comfortable and start observing the video. I'll give you a prompt again. Let the music sound come. We can't listen. Yes, Priya? No, not yet. Let it be full screen.
Radhika ma'am, click on computer sound option.
Priya is operating it.
Yeah, Priya ma'am, just
Share the computer sound, ma'am.
Full audio.
yeah, it'll ask for computer sound option, ma'am.
No, this is a downloaded one. So.
But still you can do it.
Ma'am, just say same as system.
Okay. Directly go to the YouTube and then share it, Amma. You can stop here.
Okay.
That's fine, no problem. We'll wait for that.
Okay.
It can be visual relaxation and sound need not be very high. Let it be a little slow. Okay. That's fine. I want smile on the face. All of you smile on the face. Smile doesn't cost anything. Yeah, I know that it is not a good situation for all of us. Every house, every next door have a problem now. But still let us smile. Let us smile so that we become more strong. నవ్వుతో మనం ఇంకా కొంచెం స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతామని నేను నమ్ముతాను. చిన్న నవ్వు. ఈలోపు మీరందరూ కూడా పేపర్ ఉంటే, మీ దగ్గర పేపర్ ఉంటే ఒక్కసారి అందరూ కూడా I want you people to take one paper, empty paper. By the time she is coming to the audio video, let us do an activity which will really help us. So take a small empty paper. Let it be in the notebook only. Okay. So it's a simple thing, but very effective again. Draw a smiley. Just start drawing the smiley on one corner and continue drawing different types of smileys. Not the same. మనం నవ్వు మొహాలు అంటాం కదా, చిన్న చిన్న నవ్వు మొహాలను గీస్తూ పండి, ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి కరెక్ట్ గా 1 minute టైం, ఓన్లీ 1 minute టైం నేను చూస్తున్నాను నా ఫోన్ ని. ఈ 1 నిమిషంలో మీరు ఈ పేపర్ మొత్తం స్మైలీస్ గీసేయండి. బట్ when you're drawing the smiley, tell yourself that I am relaxed. మీకు మీరు చెప్పుకోండి. Tell yourself that I am relaxed. నేను రిలాక్స్డ్ గా ఉన్నాను అని మీకు మీరు చెప్పుకోండి. Draw a smiley, tell yourself I am relaxed and smile on the face. ఇంకా కొన్ని నాకు ఇంకా సీరియస్ ఫేసెస్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. కొంచెం చిరునవ్వు మొహం మీద, దానికి ఏమి ఖర్చు అవ్వదు. You need not spend any money. No 1 rupee. It's only smile on the face. Draw a smiley, tell yourself I am relaxed. Draw a smiley, tell yourself I am relaxed. Just 1 minute time. Every smiley, one instruction for yourself. ఒక్కొక్క స్మైలీకి ఒక్కసారి చెప్పండి. నాకు చాలా మంది మంచి నవ్వుతో కనిపిస్తున్నారు. సాయి శృతి నవ్వట్లేదు. స్మైల్ ఆన్ ద ఫేస్. ఇట్స్ అ జ్యువెలరీ. అది ఖర్చు లేని ఒక మంచి నగ. ఇట్స్ అ జ్యువెలరీ ప్రెజెంటెడ్ బై ద గాడ్. గుడ్. నేను కొంతమంది డ్యూటీలో ఉండి కూడా అటెండ్ అవుతున్న వాళ్ళని చూస్తున్నాను. మీకు చేతులెత్తి నమస్కారం అండి. మీరు డ్యూటీలో ఉండి మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తుంటే మాకు అర్థం అవుతుంది మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి చూస్తున్నారు కూడా. ఐ రియలీ మీ అందరికీ కూడా హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ అండ్ సెల్యూట్.
Ma'am, can I start?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining from the duty. We are for you. Right. Yes, Priya, we are. Yes, smileys అయిపోయినాయా? Very good. Very good. Done with the smileys, and the smile on the face is ready. Yes, we'll do the relaxation. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priya, we are ready.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Full
also.
screen. Wow. Thoda bahut sounds. It should be very small sound. We don't want much sound,
It's a
but
very
we want
minor
sound.
ma'am. That's why you couldn't hear it.
Thoda increase karna. We can't listen. We can't listen,
All the
Priya.
music, ma'am. This
No,
is
no.
all the music. It's a meditation video, so it's just the music is this much only, ma'am.
No, asalu sound raatledu.
Ma'am, I have some camera issue. I will not be able.
That's okay. That's okay. Priya, completely mute.
ప్రియా,
Yes, ma'am.
మీరు పైన షేర్ ఆప్షన్ పైన మీకు 3 డాట్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి కదా, దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ షేర్ సౌండ్ అని పెట్టండి, అప్పుడు సౌండ్ మాకు వినిపిస్తుంది.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhere we are listening. Yeah. Vachesindi. That's good. Thank you so much. This is also adversity quotient. This requires little bit of, ability to withstand when the music is not coming. Little more sound. Little more. Okay. Now, that's fine. Sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. Miko, whatever you are watching on the screen, just completely immerse into it. The beautiful flowers. Pat your 5 senses. Now your eyes. Look at the beauty of the flower. కనిపిస్తున్న పుష్పాన్ని, దాని అందాన్ని చూడండి. మనసుకు ప్రశాంతత. మనం అక్కడికి వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు, చూస్తూ ఉందాం చాలు. మనందరం కూడా వెబినార్లో లేము. లెట్ us just get to that. Let us all travel into that tranquility, that serene beauty of nature. Don't allow any distractions, please. Completely watch. Go there. మీరు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోండి. మనం అక్కడే ఉన్నాము, ఇక్కడ లేమన్నంతగా మీరు దాంట్లో కలిసిపోండి. ప్రశాంతంగా చూడండి. రిలాక్స్, రిలాక్స్ and relax. Just keep watching. See the beautiful flow of water, the green environment around, and the water flowing with beautiful flow. ఆ జలపాతాన్ని గ్రహించండి, నీటిలో అలజడిని గ్రహించండి. రిలాక్స్డ్ గా ఆ కనిపిస్తున్న విజువల్ ని చూస్తూ ఉండండి. జస్ట్ రిలాక్స్. వచ్చే ఆలోచనలను రానివ్వండి, పోయే ఆలోచనలను పోనివ్వండి. మీరు మాత్రం ఆ పిక్చర్నే చూస్తూ ఉండండి, వీడియోని చూస్తూ ఉండండి. జస్ట్ సీ ద బ్యూటీ అరౌండ్ ద మౌంటైన్స్, బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద మౌంటైన్స్ అరౌండ్. చక్కటి పుష్పం, భగవంతుడిచ్చిన ప్రసాదం. గ్రహించండి. జస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ నేచర్. It's there. God has given so much to relax. We need not worry about anything. God has given enough for us to relax, but we are not watching it. భగవంతుడు ఇచ్చిన దాన్ని మనం ఇంకా చూడలేకపోతున్నాం. చక్కగా చూడండి. Tell yourself, I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. నేను చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను. నేను చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను. నేను చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను. మీకు మీరు చెప్పుకోండి. మీరు గొప్ప గురువు. మీకు మీరు గొప్ప గురువు. యు ఆర్ ద బెస్ట్ మోటివేటర్ టు యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. యు ఆర్ ద బెస్ట్ టీచర్ టు యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. టెల్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సీ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ దట్ కలర్, దట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లవర్ విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్. ఫిల్ యువర్ ఐస్ విత్ దట్ కలర్. కళ్ళ నిండా చూడండి. కళ్ళు తిప్పనంత అందం అది. ఇట్స్ ఎ స్టన్నింగ్ బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద నేచర్. వి హార్డ్లీ లుక్ ఎట్. ఒక్కసారి కళ్ళు మూసుకోండి. ఆ పిక్చర్ని కళ్ళలో పెట్టుకొని కళ్ళు మూసుకోండి. Just close your eyes for a few seconds, just to tell yourself that I am relaxed. కళ్ళు మూసుకొని నేను చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను, నేను చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను అని మనకు మనం చెప్పుకుందాం. మన ప్రశాంతత ఎక్కడో లేదు, మన లోపలే ఉంది. The relaxation, the feeling of relaxed or mental peace is already within. మన లోపలే ఉంది. It is with us. మన ప్రశాంతత మన లోపలనే ఉంది. Just let us find it right now. Right now. ఇప్పుడే మనం చూద్దాం దాన్ని. గ్రహించండి. సముద్రంలోని అలల్లాగా మీకు ఆలోచనలు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. Let the thoughts flow in your mind. Just be an observer. Just be an observer. Okay? Aram se, slowly rub your hands and close your eyes. Rub your hands, close your eyes. Now, take one coping card. Take one coping card. Whenever I tell you coping card, if you have cards, take it. Cards lekapothe chinna paper mukka chalu. It's okay. Take a piece of paper. It's okay. Okay? Ee piece of paper meeda just 3 సార్లు relax, relax, relax. That's enough. Tell yourself, relax, relax, relax. ఈ visual relaxation videos మీకు Google hundreds of videos are there, but we never watch them so mindfully. చూస్తున్నాం అనుకుంటాం కానీ 100 distractions తో చూస్తాం. We watch the videos, we watch the relaxation videos, but lot of distractions. There is lot of peace when you watch this video. Okay? Relax, relax, relax is a coping sentence. I'll ask you for the at the end all the coping sentences. I want you people to keep all the coping sentences ready for me till the end of the this activity. Now I just want you to again take one more before we move on. Priya, just stop sharing. I'll next will be breathing, so let me do something and go to the breathing. Inkoka card teeskondi andaru. One more card, please take one more card. I repeat, whenever I'm speaking in Telugu, it's a translation. You are not missing anything. I'm repeating my sentence in Telugu for people who understand Telugu. I don't want to miss them. Okay, chalo, take one card. Deen meeda oka chinna sentence rayandi. Please write one sentence. What is happening to me right now? This should become mantra for your life. This should become mantra for your life, let me tell you. What is happening to me right now? ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు నాలో ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు నాలో ఏం జరుగుతుంది? తెలుగులో. ఇంగ్లీష్లో what is happening to me right now? Okay? Yes? Pallavi, are you writing? I see Pallavi. Yeah. When I ask question, if you want to answer my question, please show the thumb. You need not. Yes, thank you so much. Whenever you wrote, whenever you are doing something which I told you, please show the thumb. Okay, thank you. So, done. Can I see your coping card? What is happening to me right now? Yes, good job. So now, what is this question I'm asking about? What is happening to me right now? Ask this question to yourself. What is happening to me right now? So first, look at your body. Please look at your body and ask the question, what is happening to me right now? మీ బాడీని చూసుకోండి. ఏం జరుగుతుంది నా శరీరంలో? చూసుకోండి. ఎక్కడైనా నొప్పిగా ఉందా? ఎక్కడైనా టైట్ గా ఉందా? ఎక్కడైనా చాలా డిస్టర్బ్ గా ఉందా? చెక్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ మేక్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ కంఫర్టబుల్. మీకు ఏ బాడీ పార్ట్ లో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంటే అది సెట్ చేసుకోండి. Whichever body part is not comfortable, set it. You can move. You can move and settle down. Now, what is happening to me right now? Again ask a question. నాకు ఏమవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు మనస్సులో. మనస్సులో means mind లో. Now ask this question. What is happening to me right now? Body చూసాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు we'll be going to the mind. రైట్. మనసులో ఏమవుతుంది? నేను డిస్టర్బ్ గా ఉన్నానా? చిరాగ్గా ఉందా? బాధగా ఉందా? టెన్షన్ గా ఉందా? చెక్ ఇట్. I repeat in English. Please check your mind and ask yourself, what is happening to me right now? Am I disturbed? Am I tensed? Am I having any fear in mind? Am I having any stress in mind? Good boys are there in the group. When you are muting them, allow them. Right. Wait, Radhika. You don't mute, I'll mute them. I love your song, but I cannot allow you to sing better. Right. Okay. So, what is happening to me right now in the mind? Ask yourself. And third question, what is happening to me? What is happening to me inside my body? Inside my body. That time I asked around the body. Now inside your body. Am I hungry? Am I feeling sleepy? Am I feeling any, is there any discomfort in myself? Inside. Check yourself. Check yourself. If you are feeling hungry, please ask someone to give you candy. Please, that's okay. Please ask someone to give you some chips or something, anything to eat. Don't sit when you are hungry. Okay? So, I want you people to keep this card completely accessible, ready till the end of this program. Okay? Now, 3 times you're asking question, what is happening to me right now? Nakem avutundi? Shariram chudandi. Look at your body first. What is happening to me right now? Mind or emotions? Am I angry? Am I peaceful? Am I getting irritated? Am I getting frustrated? What is happening? Just check yourself. Third, మూడోసారి మళ్ళీ నాకేం జరుగుతుంది? నా బాడీ లోపల ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఆకలేస్తుందా? నిద్ర వస్తుందా? ఏదైనా మంటగా ఉందా పొట్టలో? వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ మై ఫిజియాలజీ? నాకేం జరుగుతుంది? వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ టు మీ రైట్ నౌ ఇన్సైడ్? ఓకే అండి? సో this question should be asked all the time. Whenever you find time, ask this question. What is happening to me right now? Okay, we'll do it again. Chalo. Now, I'm going to demonstrate a beautiful activity that is called power breathing. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you, this activity should be done eyes closed and for almost 9 to 10 minutes, not more than that. It should be below that. Okay, but నేను కొన్ని చెప్తాను, ముందు వినండి. కళ్ళు మూసుకునే ముందు మీరు దీన్ని కళ్ళు మూసుకొని చేస్తారు. కళ్ళు మూసుకున్న తర్వాత 9 నుంచి 10 నిమిషాల వరకు ఇందులో ఉంటాము. నేను శ్వాస తీసుకోమన్నప్పుడు, శ్వాస వదిలేయమన్నప్పుడు, లేదా శ్వాసని బిగబట్టమన్నప్పుడు నాతో పాటే చేయండి. ఆలోచనలు వస్తే రానివ్వండి, పోనివ్వండి. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ఒక టైంలో నేను మీ పొట్ట మీద చేయి పెట్టుకోమని చెప్తాను. పొట్టని బాల్ లాగా పైకి రావాలి. తర్వాత మీరు నోటితో ఊదాలి. ఇదొకటి నేను అప్పుడు చెప్పలేనేమో, అందుకని ముందు చూపిస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, స్టమక్ మీద పెట్టుకోమంటే స్టమక్ మీద పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఊదమన్నప్పుడు ఊదాలి. ఓకే అండి? చలో, మిగతావన్నీ మీకు అర్థమైపోతే నేను 3 స్టేజెస్ చేపిస్తాను. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్ 3 స్టేజెస్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ బ్రీతింగ్. We have 6 and more stages in this, but now today we are trying to learn around 3 to 4 stages according to the time. Okay, chalo. Now sit comfortably. There is no position as such. Straight ga kuchandi ani kaadu, meeku koncham nachinattuga kuchoni mari padukovoddu. Don't try to sleep in the chairs, because it's a breathing exercise. It needs little bit of that alertness in the body. Okay, thank you so much. Sit comfortably. Aram se close your eyes. I repeat my instructions in Telugu and English alternatively. Please bear with me. Close your eyes. Kallu muskondi. ఈ కొద్ది కాలం, ఈ కొద్ది సమయం మన కోసం ఇద్దాం. నిజంగా దీనిలో ఉన్న ఒక మాధుర్యం, the beauty of breathing you will understand today. The only difference between a dead body and a human being is nothing but breathe. శ్వాస మనిషిని జీవించేలా చేస్తుంది. మరణానికి దూరంగా ఉంచుతున్నది శ్వాస. అంత అద్భుతమైన శ్వాస. The beautiful breath. It's a beautiful breath. Powerful breathing. Wonderful breathing. The process of the nature. Let us experience that. Relax yourself. Sit completely relaxed in the chair. If you have any discomfort, correct yourself. This is a time you are giving for yourself. మీకోసం మీరు ఇస్తున్న కొంత కాలం ప్రశాంతంగా కూర్చోండి, జాగ్రత్తగా కూర్చోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక సముద్రంలో అలల్లాగా ఆలోచనలు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి, పోతూ ఉంటాయి. The waves in the sea, thoughts are like waves in the sea coming and going into your mind. Let the thoughts flow into your mind. Do not ask them to stop. ఆలోచనలను ఆపకండి. వచ్చే ఆలోచనలను రానివ్వండి, పోయే ఆలోచనలను పోనివ్వండి. మీరు ప్రశాంతంగా చూస్తూ ఉండండి వాటిని. Be an observer. Be an observer of your thoughts. Do not run behind the thoughts. Do not stop the thoughts. Let them flow. It's like an ocean. It's like an ocean. Let them flow, come and go. You just be an observer. మీరు గ్రహిస్తూ ఉండండి, ప్రశాంతంగా ఉండండి. ఆలోచనలను ఆపే ప్రయత్నం చేయకండి. Let them come and go. వచ్చే ఆలోచనలు రానియండి, పోయే ఆలోచనలు చేయండి. Now మీ చుట్టూ ఉన్న చప్పులను గ్రహించండి. The sounds around you are helping you actually. మీ చుట్టూ ఉన్న చప్పుళ్ళు మీకు సహాయం చేస్తున్నాయి. మీరు ఇంకా ఫోకస్ చేయడానికి మీకు సహాయం చేస్తున్నాయి. The sounds around you are helping you to focus more. Try to take them as a positive input for you. Don't get disturbed by them. Let the sounds come around you. They're helping us to focus. Now slowly, slowly ask yourself, how I am alive. నేను బ్రతికి ఎలా ఉన్నాను? నేను బ్రతికి ఉండడానికి కారణం ఏంటి? How I am alive. The simple answer is breathe. దానికి చిన్న జవాబు శ్వాస. Now divert your focus. Travel inside yourself. మీ లోపలికి ప్రయాణం చేయండి. శ్వాసను గమనించండి. మీ శ్వాసను గమనించండి. How I am exhaling, how I am inhaling. Just observe the process. Beautiful process of inhale and exhale. When I'm not speaking, continue observation. I will give you some time where I don't speak for some time. Please observe your breath. మీ శ్వాసను గమనిస్తూ ఉండండి. నేను కొద్ది నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడకుండా ఉంటాను. నేను కూడా మీతో పాటు చేస్తున్నాను. I'm also experiencing the peace, the relaxation. Inhale and exhale. Don't pressurize yourself. Don't force yourself. బలవంతంగా శ్వాస తీసుకోకండి. ప్రశాంతంగా తీసుకోండి. శ్వాస మీద ధ్యాస అంటాం దీన్ని. Observation of breath, conscious breathing. This is called conscious breathing. experience the beautiful rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. No rest, no break. It's a continuous process from the time you took birth. But we hardly see it. We hardly witness it. Just tell yourself relaxed. పుట్టినప్పటి నుంచి జరుగుతున్న శ్వాసని ఇప్పటి వరకు జరుగుతున్న ఈ శ్వాసను ఒకసారి గమనించండి. Now let us take little deeper breath. కొంచెం దీర్ఘ శ్వాస తీసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. నార్మల్ బ్రీత్ కన్నా కొంచెం దీర్ఘ శ్వాస తీసుకోండి. అండ్ దీర్ఘ శ్వాస తీసుకుని వదులుతున్నప్పుడు ఎన్ని నంబర్లు వస్తున్నాయో కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి. ప్లీజ్ కౌంట్ యువర్ బ్రీత్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇన్హేల్ 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it can be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Whatever number it is coming, keep counting with your breath. Deep breath తీసుకోండి. దీర్ఘ శ్వాస తీసుకొని లెక్కలు పెడుతూ ఉండండి. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Take a deep breath and add number to it now. 1 2 3 4 1 2. ఇప్పుడు మనము సెకండ్ స్టేజ్ లో ఉన్నాము. మొదటిది కాన్షియస్ బ్రీతింగ్. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ వాస్ శ్వాస మీద ధ్యాస. స్టేజ్ 1 is conscious breathing. Now stage 2 is deep breathing with count. Deep breathing with normal count. 1 2 3 1 2 3. If it is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Whatever is your count, please go with the count. I'll stop for 1 minute. I don't talk for 1 minute. Please do deep breath with counts. One, two, three. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. This is my number. Please count your numbers. Now let us take more deeper breath. Now I will help you to count. Now I will count you to help. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు లెక్క పెడతాను, మీరు శ్వాస తీసుకోండి. నేను 1 నుంచి 10 లెక్క పెట్టినప్పుడు బ్రీత్ ఇన్ తీసుకోండి. 1 నుంచి 5 లెక్క పెట్టినప్పుడు బ్రీత్ ని హోల్డ్ చేయండి. శ్వాసని పట్టుకోండి, బిగించి పట్టుకోండి. మళ్ళీ 1 నుంచి 10 లెక్క పెట్టినప్పుడు శ్వాస వదిలేయండి. I repeat in English. When I count in 1 to 10, you take the deep breath. Inhale 1 to 10, hold the breath 1 to 5, and when I count again 1 to 10, you exhale. Okay? So, and every cycle I will give you some break. I will do 5 cycles with you. 3 2 1 start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hold 1 2 3 4 5. Release. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. You can take normal breath. Don't stop yourself. ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా తీసుకోండి. శ్వాసని నార్మల్ గా తీసుకోండి. Now I do the second cycle. 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hold 1 2 3 4 5. Release. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. 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 Take normal breath. సహజమైన శ్వాస తీసుకోండి. రిలాక్స్ అని చెప్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఒక రకమైన స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్, అంటే ఒక నిశ్చలమైన నీళ్ళలాగా కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు మనసు అంతా కూడా. యూ కెన్ సీ యువర్ మైండ్, పీస్ఫుల్ మైండ్. అబ్జర్వ్ యువర్ మైండ్. Nothing is there in your mind. It's just peace, just peace, just peace. Third cycle, 3 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Observe your forehead. Observe the space near your forehead. Beautiful, beautiful peace, a state of mind. మీ నుదుటను గ్రహించి ఉండండి. మీరు బొట్టు పెట్టుకునే ప్లేస్లో నుదుట మీకు ఒక రకమైన సహజమైన ప్రశాంతత కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. చూడండి మీరు, అది నల్లగా కనిపించవచ్చు, రంగురంగులలో కనిపించవచ్చు, మీకు ఎలాగైనా కనిపించవచ్చు. ఒక రకమైన స్థితి. 3 to 1 నేను మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. హోల్డ్. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. రిలీజ్. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. రిలాక్స్. రిలాక్స్. టేక్ నార్మల్ బ్రీత్. డోంట్ ఫోర్స్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. టెల్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ రిలాక్స్. రిలాక్స్. ఇంకొకసారి చివరగా, లాస్ట్ టైం వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ 3 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take normal breath. సహజమైన శ్వాసను తీసుకోండి. Tell yourself, I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. జీవితంలో కావాల్సినంత ప్రశాంతత, ఒక స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్. It's a very beautiful state of mind. Now all of you keep your hand on your stomach. మీ రెండు చేతులను కూడా టచ్ చేయండి అంతే, బాగా ప్రెషర్ పెట్టొద్దు. ప్లీజ్ కీప్ యువర్ both the hands on your tummy. మీ పొట్ట మీద మీ రెండు చేతులు పెట్టుకోండి. నేను ఎప్పుడైతే శ్వాస తీసుకోమని చెప్పినప్పుడు మీ పొట్ట పైకి రావాలి. ఇట్ షుడ్ కమ్ లైక్ అ బలూన్. యువర్ స్టమక్, when you take inhale, the stomach should bulge as a balloon outside. Okay. And now you're not breathing out with your nose. Now you're breathing out with your mouth, as if there is a candle and you're blowing it. It is very far away from you, so you're trying to blow. So మీరు blow చేస్తున్నప్పుడు, when you're blowing the candle, you can make the sound. That sound can come. Okay. So మీరు పొట్ట మీద చేతి పెట్టుకోండి. శ్వాస తీసుకున్నప్పుడు పొట్ట పైకి రావాలి. శ్వాసను నోటితో వదిలేయాలి, ముక్కుతో కాదు. నోటితో, ముక్కుతో తీసుకోవాలి, నోటితో వదిలేయాలి. గట్టిగా చప్పుడు వస్తూ వదిలేయాలి. ఓకే. విల్ డూ ఇట్ ఫర్ 5 times. This is a beautiful stage, candle blowing stage. We call it as candle blowing stage. The other one, నేను ఇందాక మీకు చెప్పింది 10, 5, 10, 10, 5, 10. Now we are doing the candle blowing. Take a deep breath. Stomach should bulge out. Breathe out. Now, again take a deep breath. Inhale. Blow the candle. Blow the candle. Now, third time inhale. Blow the candle. Let us take deep breath. Balloon should bulge very, very high. I know it should bulge like anything. Last time. Take a deep breath. పొట్ట పైకి రావాలి. Enough. Just relax. Go back to normal breathing. Go back to normal breathing. I'll give you 30 seconds of time. See that state of mind, beautiful state of mind. మనస్సును ప్రశాంతంగా చూసుకొని ఒక 30 సెకండ్ల తర్వాత నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు కళ్ళు తెరవండి. Tell yourself, I am relaxed, I am relaxed, I am relaxed. నేను ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను, నేను ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను, నేను ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నాను. You are the only person who can make you relax. There is no power which can give you this relaxation. It's only you can give you this relaxation. Rub your palms, make them warm. చేతులు గట్టిగా రబ్ చేయండి, గోరు వెచ్చగా అయ్యే వరకు. Put them on your eyes, కళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకోండి, వేడి తగిలినట్టుగా నిదానంగా కళ్ళు తెరవండి. మీకు నచ్చకపోతే ఇంకా కొన్ని సెకండ్లు కళ్ళు మూసుకునే ఉండండి. నాకైతే తెరవాలని లేదు. మై మైండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ టెల్లింగ్ మీ టు ఓపెన్ ఐస్. నా కళ్ళు వద్దని చెప్తున్నాయి నాకు. ఇంకా తెరవాలనిపించడం లేదు. మీకు కూడా తెరవాలనిపించకపోతే ఇంకా కొన్ని క్షణాలు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఉండండి. తెరవాలనిపించినప్పుడే కళ్ళు తెరవండి. Thank you. Thank you. Just come back. Come back. Yes. Can I ask you to use the chat box for 1 minute? Your reflections. Chat box is better. Just use the chat box so that I can understand how it was helping you. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I really felt good for myself. I hardly find time to sit. ఇలా కూర్చోడానికి నాకు కూడా సమయం దొరకదు. మీ వల్ల నాకు దొరికింది ఈరోజు. ఒకదాన్ని కూర్చొని ఇంత ప్రశాంతంగా చేసుకోవడానికి నాకు భగవంతుడి టైం. ఎప్పుడో వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ టు మీ రైట్ నౌ, అది మరి క్లాస్ మొదట్లో బ్రీతింగ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం మేము. వి డూ దిస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇట్ వాస్ సో రిలాక్సింగ్ ఫర్ మీ. యాక్చువల్లీ మై ఐస్ వాజ్ టెలింగ్ కళ్ళు తెరవద్దని చెప్తా ఉండే. Right, right. Good job. Thank you so much. Now, if I ask you to hold the card again, what is happening to me right now? What is happening to me right now? Ask the question. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏం అనిపిస్తుంది? జవాబు ఏంటి? జవాబు ఏంటి? What is happening to me right now in my mind? I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Yes. Now your mind is telling I am relaxed. Nothing else I am coming. That time there was some mixed feelings. But now nothing is coming into mind. I can't even see anything. నాకు ఏం కనిపించడం లేదు. నాకు ఏమీ కనిపించడం లేదు. ఓన్లీ ప్రశాంతతనే కనిపిస్తూ ఉండే. Good job. Good job. Thank you. So now we'll move on to the next activity. Are we ready? If you show the thumbs, I feel happy. Thumbs. Was it useful? Was it useful? Very good job. Very good job. Right. So, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంకొక యాక్టివిటీ చేద్దాం. Okay? We'll do another very interesting activity. Priya, we need your support. Oh. So now this activity is more about paint your emotions. Okay? Chalo? Shall we do? Acha. So now for this, I want you people to take one piece of paper. Piece, not piece, full page. Full page. Bada. Take full page. Big page. Okay? And empty page. And I ask you to get the crayons, sketch pens. Okay? Good job. So now you have crayons, sketch pens. I'm assuming. If you don't have pen, pencil is also okay. Sarena? Pen pencil unna parvaledu. Unte sketch pen lu crayons teeskondi. Okay? Chalo. Now I want next slide so that we can have the emotions on. Okay, good job. So all of you draw 6 circles this side, 6 circles this side. మీరు ఒక 12 circles గీయండి first. Draw 12 circles in your full paper. It should be like కొంచెం పెద్దగా గీయాలి. It's like, you know, full white paper, only 12 circles, 6 this side, 6 this side. So it will be like a bangle size, almost like a bangle size, చిన్న పిల్లల bangle size. ఓకేనా? గాజు ఉంటుంది కదండి, దాంతో ఒక 12 circles గీయండి. Better take bangle or, you know, something, just draw circles. 12 circles గీయండి. 6 one side, 6 the other side. So one side గీసిన 6 కి the one side of 6 emotions, 6 circles, you put that as a positive emotion side. One side will be positive emotions, one side will be negative emotions. So if you have a paper, you draw like this in the center. In the center, you draw line. మధ్యలో గీత గీసేయండి. ఒక side 6 circles, ఒక side 6 circles. Draw 6 circles to one side, the other 6 circles to the next side. Now what we are doing? See, I have very big list of 15 and 15. I have 15 and 15, but don't copy 15. Please try to go through each one of them and see which one is, you know, mostly seen in you. మీలో ఎక్కువగా కనిపించే ఎమోషన్ ఏదో ఆ 6 తీసుకోండి. 6 from this side, 6 from this side. Any doubts you can ask me. I repeat, ఒక 6 నెగటివ్ ఎమోషన్స్, ఒక 6 పాజిటివ్ ఎమోషన్స్ తీసుకొని ఆ 6 సర్కిల్స్ కి పైన రాయాలి, లోపల కాదు, ఇలా పైన రాయాలి, సర్కిల్ పైన రాయాలి. సో మీకు తెలియడానికి నేను 6 సర్కిల్స్ అంటే ఎమోషన్స్ నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చాను ఇక్కడ, అంతే. అవే రాయాలని ఏం లేదు. యూ నీడ్ నాట్ రైట్ ద సేమ్ ఎమోషన్స్. We just tried giving you the list of emotions to make you understand. Yeah, I'll explain you, Dipali. I want you to draw 6 circles in one side and 6 circles in the other side of the paper, like vertically. Then each circle should be labeled with one emotion. One side 6 circles should be labeled with negative emotions. One side 6 circles should be labeled with positive emotions. But those 6 and 6 you can choose from this list. We are helping you to identify your major, you know, most seen emotion in you. మీలో కనిపించే ముఖ్యమైన ఎమోషన్స్ ని తీసుకోండి. Is it clear? మీరు ముందు సర్కిల్స్ గీయండి, లేబుల్ చేయండి, ఏం చేయాలో నేను చెప్తాను. 6 and 6. Okay, thank you, good job. ఎవరికైనా అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే మీరు చాట్ లో పెట్టండి, నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను. If you don't understand or if you want me to repeat, I'll come back. Soumya, you're trying to scribble on the paper screen. Okay, I'll read for you. Positive emotions: joy, hope, excitement, inspiration, exuberant, agile, active, pleasure, interest, energetic, curious, empathy, then trust, confidence, happiness. Then we have negative emotions: sad, angry, agitated. If you don't understand any meaning, just leave it. If you don't even understand మనకు మీనింగ్ అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే పక్కన పెట్టేద్దాం, టెన్షన్ పడద్దు. మోస్ట్ కామన్ ఎమోషన్స్ రాయండి, కోపము, బాధ, చిరాకు, మనకు వచ్చేవి రాయండి, అంతే. డోంట్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ద లిస్ట్. లిస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాస్టెడ్. ఓకే, సాడ్, యాంగ్రీ, ఎజిటేషన్, లేజీ, లెథర్జిక్, ఓకే, డిప్రెస్డ్, ఇవన్నీ మనకు మోస్ట్ నోన్ కదా. యాంగ్షియస్, ఫియర్, గిల్టీ. ఎస్, yeah, Jeevani, please help them if somebody is asking. I'm just going with the flow. Guilty, hostility, pessimistic, irritated, painful, frustrated, irritated, even right. Okay, chalo, done. Now go back to the scribbles. 6 and 6 and mana baga kanipiche emotions ante. Okay, See, now when you see the screen, you can see some scribbles. ఇలా గీతలు అంటాం కదా, చిన్నప్పుడు పిచ్చి గీతలు గీస్తాం. You can see some scribbles on the paper, but you need not draw the same scribbles. I want you to fill that 6 circles and 6 circles with different colors of pencils, scribbling. Scribbling రకరకాలుగా చేయొచ్చు. ఇది స్క్రీన్ ఆపేయండి అమ్మా. I'll try to explain that better. Are you able to see me? Yep. Thank you. See, మీరు స్క్రిబుల్ చేయడం అంటే చూడండి, కొన్నిసార్లు మనం ఇలా ఇలా స్క్రిబుల్ చేస్తాం. నా పెన్ రాదు. ఓకే, ఇలా ఇలా ఇలా. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో స్క్రిబుల్. ఓకే, ఆర్ సర్కిల్స్ ఆల్సో స్క్రిబుల్, డాట్స్ ఆల్సో స్క్రిబుల్స్, వేవ్స్ ఆల్సో స్క్రిబుల్స్. ఎనీ స్క్రిబుల్ అంటే చిన్నప్పుడు పిచ్చి గీతలు అంటాం కదా. ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ జస్ట్ స్క్రిబ్లింగ్ విత్ దట్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ ఫీలింగ్స్, అంతేనా? జస్ట్ స్క్రిబుల్ ఆన్ ద పేపర్. డోంట్ వరీ. It should be beautiful. It should look beautiful. The color should match. Nothing. Nobody is asking anything. Just scribble. But it should be scribbled inside the circle so that I'll ask you something. And use different colors for different scribbles. That is also one thing I want you to do. When you are scribbling, just be mindful. When you are filling with the scribble, be mindful. మనసు పెట్టి పిచ్చి గీతలు గీయాలి. మనసు పెట్టి గీతలు గీయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ వన్స్ యు ఆర్ డన్, షో మీ థమ్స్ అప్ చేస్తే నాకు ఇలా చూపించండి. ఎస్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. Someone said done. Okay, so we'll move on. Yes, I think. So now when you look at the scribbles, there could be for example, I will ask only one of you so that others can understand. Anybody want to volunteer? Somebody want to come and speak to me? I'll unmute you. Ramesh Garu, are you ready? Unmute yourself. Okay, sir, unmute yourself.
I think only Radhika ma'am can unmute.
No. Yes, I will. Yes, so Ramesh Garu, I want you to just check your scribbles. Scribbles and tell me one negative emotion and which color did you use? All of you listen. This is one person I'm speaking, but others can just do it for yourself. Okay,
yeah,
sir?
The first one positive is energetic, ma'am. I painted that with pink, dark pink.
Okay, now my question is, what made you to select pink color?
No.
Just free dive and answer. Let it be very free flow.
I mean, I just took the packet and I just saw pink was more attractive.
Pink was more attractive.
Yeah.
Do you find something with pink outside in the world which you like?
Pink. I can't immediately think of, ma'am.
Right. That's okay. Now go to the negative emotion. One negative emotion.
Brown, ma'am. Brown.
For which emotion?
Irritated.
Irritated brown color.
Brown.
Now can you relate brown color with irritation and tell me something? Just close your eyes.
Yeah.
Take 1 minute.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
Brown would be dull and nothing appealing, attractive. It's all brown, dark brown, something like that, ma'am.
It's dark, so you don't like it.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
One more negative emotion.
The next was confidence. I put green, ma'am. Green.
Let us go to confidence. Okay, no problem. Confidence, positive emotion.
Yeah, positive.
Okay.
So I use green color.
Yes.
I love green, ma'am. I mean,
what makes you say?
I love green. I love greeneries. I'm an outdoor kind of a guy. I like forests and hills and mountains. I'm always out in this one.
You're
yes,
a
ma'am.
nature lover.
Yes.
That's great.
So I love
nature tells you to be confident. What nature tells you?
Absolutely. To be confident. Law of nature says be confident.
Be confident. Super. One more negative emotion we'll take.
Exactly.
One more negative emotion.
Upset, ma'am. I mentioned upset. I get upset.
Which color?
And I've used black.
Okay. Okay. So when you get upset, how do you feel?
Yeah, I mean, dark. I mean, you go deep into something and you're going deep and deep and deep, it's all dark, so that's what I feel. I don't know now that when you said how to relate the colors, I'm thinking otherwise I just took this one and I started scribbling, you see.
Yes.
So probably that could be the reason, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So now look into, see, this is how you can relate your colors. All of you can check your colors and keep thinking about the emotion. మీరు గీసిన రంగులను చూడండి, రంగులతో మీ ఎమోషన్ ని కలిపి ఆలోచించండి. మీకు ఎంతో కొంత ఒక అవగాహన వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వన్ థింగ్. ఇంకొకటి చేద్దాం సార్. మీరు యూ టేక్ 2 ఎమోషన్స్, నెగటివ్ ఎమోషన్స్, రెండిట్లలో ఏవి ఒకే రకంగా మీరు స్క్రిబుల్ చేశారు, నెగటివ్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్. జస్ట్ టేక్ 2 సర్కిల్స్, నెగటివ్ పాజిటివ్, ఏవి మ్యాచ్ అవుతున్నాయో చెప్పండి. ఒకే రకంగా దేనికి స్క్రిబుల్ చేశారు? ఇది మ్యాచింగ్. మీరు గీసిన స్క్రిబుల్స్ లో ఏవైనా 2 మ్యాచ్ అవుతున్నాయా? Unmute yourself. Yes, please. Unmute.
Yeah, one, there is same in negative and positive. One is exuberant, and then for irritated, it is same scribble, ma'am. Same color also.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. So now, can you think of any relation between these two? ఆలోచించి చెప్పండి.
And both are contradictory, ma'am. I don't know how to relate it. This is one side is irritated, negative, and here it is exuberant. I mean, it's the extremes. So I don't know how to relate that. If you can help me find, ma'am. Exuberant,
that is
irritated.
What is the relationship? That is what is the relationship. Both are contradictory.
Extremes. Okay.
Both are extremes, so that's where you match them. That's how it happens.
Absolutely.
So,
absolutely.
If you find the similarity in the scribbles, you please try to go into deeper and deeper into the connection between the emotions. It's not magic, I'm telling you. It's just an emotional awareness. ఇది మ్యాజిక్ కాదండి, ఇది ఎమోషనల్ అవేర్నెస్ అంతే. మన మనస్సు చెప్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి సార్ ఏమన్నారు, బ్లాక్ నేను ఎందుకు గీసానో నాకు తెలియదు అన్నారు. Am I right, sir? Ramesh sir? You took black color, but you didn't think when you take black color. But when I asked you, telling, yes, there is a meaning in that. That's how colors work for you. Color psychology is there. Colors andikantamandi. Colors actually mean a lot for life. That's why using colors makes you completely relaxed. So from today, please try to use colors. ఈ రోజు నుంచి రంగులు వాడండి, రంగు పెన్నులు వాడండి. మీరు ఇలా గీస్తే చాలు, దట్స్ ఇనఫ్ ఫర్ యువర్ రిలాక్సేషన్. మీరు బొమ్మలు గీయక్కర్లేదు. యూ నీడ్ నాట్ బికమ్ గుడ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ స్క్రిబుల్ విత్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్, ఫుల్ పేపర్. దట్ షుడ్ బి ఇనఫ్. ఓకే, చలో, గుడ్ జాబ్, గుడ్ జాబ్. ఎస్, విల్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ యాక్టివిటీ. కీప్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ దేర్. We are having wonderful activities coming up. 2 more. I think time is up, but still we'll try to do 1 more. Yes, Priya, let me focus karenge. Okay, then coffee. That's done, gada Priya.
Ma'am, let me focus and coffee.
We'll discuss in the chat. First, let me focus. We'll do. Now you can stop the screen. You have the virtual candle. Not this. Complete. It should be completely. Usha showed that one. I want virtual candle. Radhika, you bring it within 1 minute and show us.
Okay.
From Usha Nirmala. Okay. So now all of you take your candle. Acha. Before that, for emotional ventilation, do you have any coping card, Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us one coping card for this emotional ventilation? We prepared one coping card.
Yes, ma'am.
Know your emotions.
Yeah, know your emotion. Be mindful, live mindful.
No. That is for coffee.
Okay.
Know your emotions, ventilate your emotions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you confused. Chalo, take a card. Card means one piece of paper or a card and write. know your emotions, know your emotions, and ventilate your emotions. If it is good or bad, మంచైనా 10 మందితో పంచుకోవాలి, బాధ అయినా 10 మందితో పంచుకోవాలి కదా. పంచుకుంటేనే పెరుగుతుంది. సంతోషం అయితే పంచుకుంటే పెరుగుతుంది, దుఃఖం అయితే పంచుకుంటే తగ్గుతుంది. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So please share with others. Please ventilate your emotions. Don't pile up inside. Share to your loved ones. Share it with anybody whom you can, trust. So know your emotions first and ventilate your emotions. Okay? And for knowing your emotions, what you should do from today? Just ask one question. What is happening to me right now? Do you have the card? Please pick up the card. Pick up the card. What is happening to me right now? Body, check your body. Check your body. What is happening to me right now? Okay, నాకు కొంచెం back pain వస్తుంది. Okay, I will settle myself. Okay. Chalo, check body. Now let us check the mind. What is happening to me right now in my mind? I'm very peaceful. Nothing is happening to me actually. No disturbed emotions. Please check yourself. And ask one more time, what is happening to me? What is happening to me inside my body? Am I feeling hungry? Am I feeling sleepy? Am I feeling, restless inside my body? Nothing. For me, nothing. Ask question. I'm happy. Are you? Are you? If you feel hungry, please ask something. Ask your family member to give you chocolate. Right. Done? Now. Candle ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Candle.
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
మీరు కాదు, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఆపండి, మేము అందరి చూస్తాం. If they do not have candle, you are blowing it. Stop.
Oh. Yes,
all of you have candle. Chalo, blow the candle పెట్టండి. I will also show my candle. Okay. And coping card, Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you please write on a coping card. Let me focus. Take coping card. Coping card is paper. Fan ban jayali. Okay. AC kuda ban jayali. Okay. Okay. All of you take one piece of paper. Write, let me focus, and keep that, that card near the candle stand. If you have a candle stand, keep it here. Let me focus. Okay. In front of the candle. Then we'll do the activity. Let me focus. That's it. 3 words. Now, let me focus. Let me focus. Let me focus. Let me focus. Okay. Okay. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. All of you switch off your lights if possible. That's okay. If you get up also, I don't mind. My room is dark. Only candle I have in front of me. Please sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. Keep the candle in front of you. Candle ni mee mundu pettukondi. Okay. I want all of you to light your candle, keep it in front of you. Okay. This activity is called let me focus. So please write let me focus on the paper and please keep it near the candle. Okay. మీ చేతిలో పట్టుకోవద్దు, మీకు స్ట్రెయిన్ అవుతుంది. చేతి అక్కడ పెట్టేయండి, ముందు పెట్టుకోండి, పర్వాలేదు, నేను పట్టుకుంటాను మీకోసం. మీరు ముందు పెట్టుకోండి, కొంచెం మీ డెస్క్టాప్ని ఇట్లా కిందకు పెట్టుకుంటే మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది, మీ స్క్రీన్లో కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇట్ విల్ బి మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. And if you don't have the candle, I will, Radhika will help you to have the virtual candle. Okay. Yes, Radhika, candle on. Yes. So all of you sit comfortably. This is again proven activity, beautiful activity. Okay. Now Just look at the candle. Just look at the candle. మీ ముందు కనిపిస్తున్న క్యాండిల్ ని చూస్తూ ఉండండి. This is nothing to do with anything. This is not meditation. We are not trying to do anything. It's only just telling your mind to focus. Okay. So this life, we have 3 context: past, present and future. మన జీవితంలో 3 భాగాలు ఉంటాయి. గడిచిపోయినది గతం, వర్ధమానం, భవిష్యత్తు. సో మానవుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా గతంలోకి పోతాడు లేదా భవిష్యత్తులోకి పోతూ ఉంటాడు. We travel into the past and we travel into the future. We hardly stay in the present. We hardly stay in the present. We don't enjoy the present moment. Now let us focus on the candle. Imagine there is a silver basket towards your right side. This is imagination, just imagination. Imagine silver basket towards your right side and golden basket towards your left side. మీ కుడి పక్క ఒక వెండి బుట్ట, ఎడమ పక్క ఒక బంగారు బుట్ట ఉంది అని ఊహించుకోండి. ఇది ఆలోచనల కోసం మాత్రమే చెప్తున్నాను. ఇది ఒక ఇమేజరీ యాక్టివిటీ మాత్రమే. Now observe your thoughts. మీ ఆలోచనలను గమనిస్తూ ఉండండి. ఏ ఆలోచన వచ్చినా, గతం గురించి ఆలోచనలు వస్తే బంగారు బుట్టలో వేయండి, భవిష్యత్తు గురించి ఆలోచనలు వస్తే వెండి బుట్టలో వేయండి. మీరు మాత్రం క్యాండిల్ ని చూస్తూ ఉండండి. See the beauty of the candle. See the flame color. See the movement of the candle flame. అది ఎంత వయ్యారంగా కదులుతూ ఉంది, ఎంత ముచ్చటగా కదులుతూ ఉంది, ఎంత చక్కగా వెలుగునిస్తుంది, ఎంత చక్కటి ప్రశాంతతనిస్తుంది. దాన్ని చూస్తూ ఉండండి. మీకు ఆలోచనలు వస్తే ఆపకండి. నెవర్ స్టాప్ థింకింగ్. లెట్ ద థాట్ ఫ్లో. వచ్చిన ఆలోచన పాతదైతే, పాస్ట్ గురించి అయితే ఎడమ పక్కన ఉన్న బంగారు బుట్టలో వేయండి. ఫ్యూచర్ గురించి అయితే సిల్వర్ బాస్కెట్లో వేయండి. కీప్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ద ఫ్లేమ్. Let me focus. Just tell yourself, let me focus. Any thought coming from about the past, put it into the golden basket. Any thought coming about the future, put it in the silver basket.